Okay, now we are going to do the subtraction strategy in another method. It's subtract by counting forward in steps. Subtract, listen, subtract by counting forward in steps. So, how we are going to do the sum? That is, it is also another method of subtraction strategy. The method is counts forward from the smaller number to the bigger number in steps. Counts forward from the smaller number to the bigger number in steps. This is the method. What is the meaning of this? So, first they are given two numbers. First number is 39 and second number is 16. So, which is a smaller number in both? 16 is a smaller number. So, you start with the 16. That is what counts forward from the smaller number. So, forward, count forward from the smaller number. So, you start with the smaller number. Then you have to count up to what? 39, this number. So, 39, if you split 39, how you are going to split 30 plus 9? That is what? 39. So, count forward from the smaller number. That means 16. This is smaller number. 39 compared to 16. 16 is a smaller number. So, count forward from the smaller number. 16 to 30 first you have to write. Then, the 16 to 30, 16 to 30. Start with the smaller number to bigger number. That is up to 30. You have to count. That is called as count forward from the smaller number. Then, what you are going to do? The remaining number. Again, you have to write 30. What is the question is given in the, what is the question? That is, what is the first number? So, it ends with 39. 30 to 39. Again, you have to what? Count. So, 30 to 39 you have to count. Then you can get the counts. First count and second count, you have to add both counts, then you can get the answer. This is what? Count forward from the smaller number to the bigger number. So 39 is a bigger number, end with a bigger number. So count forward from the smaller number. Count forward from the smaller number. You start with the smaller number, then you have to forward counting, then you have to end with a bigger number. That is what? Count forward from the smaller number to the bigger number. We have to do everything in step by step. That is the meaning of the definition. So let's see the sum. So 39 minus 16. I have told you this is a 39 is a greater number and 16 is a smaller number. Start with the 16 up to 30, because 39 we have to segregate 30 plus 9. So 16 to 30. So you have to count. So after 16 up to 30 you have to count. That means 17. So 17, that is, you start with this after 16. That means 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. That is 14. So you will get 14, the first number. Next, again you have to start with 30 to 39. End with what is the number exactly given in the question, 30 to 39. So after 30 up to 39 you have to count. So after 30 means 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. So how many numbers? 9. So you can get the counting is 9. The first count is 14, second is 9. So you have to add both counting, 14 plus 9. You can get the answer is 23. So 14 plus 9. So 4 in the mind, this is ones and this is tens. So you will have to concentrate only the ones. So 4 in the mind, 9 in the finger. After 4, you have to say 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 3 you have to write as it is. Then the carryover go to the tens place. 1 plus 1, 2. So this is a general addition. So the answer is what? You can get 23. So this is the exact answer. So this is a this is subtraction strategy. This is subtraction strategy we follow in this sum. So general subtraction, 39 minus 16. So ones and tens, right? 39 the first number, second number is 16. So general subtraction, there is no strategy I am following here. So 9 minus 6, 9 is a bigger number, 6 is a smaller number. 9 minus 6, so what you are going to do, you have to, from the 9 you have to subtract 6. So backward counting after 6 up to 9. So 7, 8, 9. So answer is 3. You have to write 3. So 3 minus 1. So 3, first number, second number 1. You have to subtract from what? 3 to 1. From 3 you have to subtract what? 1. So 3 minus 1. Backward counting again. So after what? 1, 2, 3. So you will get what? After 1 up to 3 you have to count. You have to use only backward counting. After 1, 2 and 3 the number is 2. So 23. Anyhow, this is a very general subtraction. There is no strategy I am following here. But I have used here what strategy I follow here. So that what is the strategy name is subtract by counting forward in steps. So you have to first start with the what smaller, you have to choose the smaller. There are two numbers are given, one is a greater number, other one is a smaller number. You have to select only the smaller number. From the smaller number you have to start counting, that is called as forward counting. So the first number first you have to split up, then you have to use the smaller number, start with the smaller number, forward counting you use up to the biggest number. That is step by step process. That is what I've done it.